Welcome to MetaMask Rewards program. Season 1 is live. So it says earn points for your activity. Advance through levels to unlock rewards. So this is a new feature on the latest MetaMask version. If you're using an older version, you will not see these rewards or you not enjoy this reward feature, right? So the first thing you need to do is to update your MetaMask. So if you're using Android, you can just head over to Google Play Store, enter a search for MetaMask, and you update it. So when you don't see an update button, it means you're on the latest version. When what you have there is rather open, right? So after downloading and launching, so in any one of your wallets you log on, you'll find the rewards button here. So you tap on it and it says claim 250 points. So you click on claim. Earn points on every trade, right? So every swap and peps trade you make in MetaMask gets you closer to rewards. Add your accounts and watch your points add up. Click on next. Level up bigger pegs. Hit point milestone to get pegs like 50% off peps, fees, exclusive tokens on the free MetaMask Meta card. Next. Exclusive seasonal rewards. Each season brings new pegs. Join in, compete, and claim what you can before time runs out. So now you have to provide a referral code, right? You earn 250 points when you sign up. Use referral code to earn 250 more. So I'll be leaving you my ref code in the description box of this video and it's on the Telegram page. So you get it and you impute it here. So I'm going over to social media to look for a code, a lucky person's code, and impute it here. It will validate and check that the code is correct, and then you click on claim points. Start earning points, right? So I have received 500 points already. Remember, 250 for as a sign-up bonus and 250 as rewards for using a referral code. So active boost 2. So you get points for all of these activities. 80 points per $100 swap. There's 10 points per $100, 10 points per 50 from friends, and they also have a loyalty bonus. Earn points from past trades. Let's see how this works. Loyalty bonus 250 points per 1,250. Add account with past swaps or bridges in MetaMask to earn loyalty bonuses. Each eligible account unlocks points in increments of 250 up to a total of 50,000 bonus. Wow, that's cool. Let's see. Let's try to add account and see. These are some of the accounts I've actually had on this wallet. So I have not added this, like 5. So let me add all of them, right? I've just added. So with this system, it means you don't need to be worrying about switching accounts, having so many accounts, because you can have all your accounts in one place, and it will save you a lot of stress. So I've added all my accounts now. Let's go back. It says I need 500 to level up. Well, let's click on levels here. Level 2 frontier, you need 1,000 points. Your LINEA is waiting based on your total points at end of the season. Level 2, level 3, 25,000 points. Level 4, 50,000. Level 5, 100,000. Priority support. All right, so those are the benefits for all the different levels. So at level 7, I'm seeing MetaMask Meta card. That's cool. Let's click on activity. Sign up bonus, activity, overview. 1.5 times points for swaps on mobile, 2 times for swaps on LINEA. To get your invite code on the rewards page, you can see the profile with a plus sign next to it. You tap on it. So here you can find your referral link together with your invite code embedded, or you can copy it separately. So this referral link here is for the app browser, right? So make sure, if you would prefer to share the referral link, make sure they uses the app browser to visit this web page. That's how your code will be affected on their account. So using the method I'm just using to illustrate in this tutorial, you can just simply give them your referral code. So they will copy, and before they could actually finish the registration process, they will now input your code. It's actually a win-win for the both of you, talking about you and your referee, right? So you both will receive 250 points. So they have put together a thread on X explaining what the event is about and everything you need to know. So let's go have a look at that. There is MetaMask official Twitter page, metamask.eth. That's the name with the followership of 1.4 M. So they shared this 20 hours ago. MetaMask reward system is now live. Over $30 million in rewards are up for grabs. Here is how you can secure yours. So it's a thread, right? MetaMask reward works similar to IRL loyalty programs you're familiar with. So trade, swap, bridge, and refer using MetaMask. Earn rewards with every action, unlock new levels and benefits over time. The more you use MetaMask, the more you will earn, right? Season 1 will last for 90 days. So if you saw back there, we have 85 days left and starts with over 30 million in LINEA tokens for both OGs and new users. more rewards will be unveiled throughout. This is just the beginning. All LINEA rewards are earned and held through MetaMask Rewards Season 1. We count towards future rewards. So opt in MetaMask Rewards and start with earning, update to the latest version, right? I just showed you how to do that on Android. So that's the end of the thread, right? So for now, log into your MetaMask wallet, claim those points and hold tight onto it while you're figuring out how you can earn with more ways, right? So the first way to earn is actually free. If you use my invite code, you get additional 50 points. So why don't you want to use my code? I'll be leaving it for you on the Telegram page and also in the description box of the video and in the comments. So use my code to grab another 250 points, right? I'll be bringing you more updates concerning the MetaMask reward program. It's just started not quite long ago and it's not going to last for a year, right? You have less than 2 months because I'm saying 80. You have less than 3 months because I'm seeing 85 days to go. So jump on it, guys. Don't sleep on this, right? Even the one-eyed dude is doing it, so why won't you? Alright, so go do your thing. So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.